双步位置是3个0嘛
3个0可以。你让他公司自己选，再一个那个视频你找一下，找你就搜山东兰州那个视频。
Hello everyone, welcome to our today video broadcast. This is Vincent, and today we will make introduction. Our lesson for our customers because many customers will ask me, Vincent, the laser cutting machine, how to choose and how to choose for our customers for our factory. So today we will make an introduction of our laser cutting machine physical type. Laser cutting machine SAL 3015G. So today let's see the PT. Yes, today we will according to three parts to make introduction of our laser cutting machine. The first is product introduction, and the second is the qualification, and the third is technology processing. So let's see the first introduction. So the first is product introduction. Yes, from this picture and two pictures. The two pictures is show our different types laser cutting machine. The first picture is show our physical laser cutting machine. So it's very physical and it's very cheap for our customers. So the second picture is show our different type of laser cutting machine, and we can see this picture. It includes the protect set, so it can protect our workers and our environment. So, but this type of laser cutting machine is also expensive. So it's good at our big boss and our different requirement customers. So let's see the first important parts. Many customers ask me, Vincent, how can I choose the laser cutting machine? I will answer their question. The first important is to choose the model and choose the material. So I have list five parts and five different style to our customers. The first metal is carbon steel. So we know the carbon steel is very very cheap. So many customers will to cutting it for sales. So I have prepared the video to show. So let's see the first video. Yes, the video is show our laser cutting machine is cut 3 millimeters cutting system. Yes, maybe the video and our customers and our friend in video don't care. So you can contact me, and I will make introduction this video to show our customers in detail. But we see the video again, and yes, yes. Yes, we can see the work pierce is 3 millimeters. Yes, the second method, and the important question I have to make introduction, and our let's cutting, not our, but every factory let's cutting machine the max power is empowered to cutting zero to 30 millimeters cutting style, but maybe customers will to choose and cutting more than 13 millimeters cutting style, but we also can provide. So the second method is standard style, and the metal also cheap. So for every customers, also can cutting it to sales. Yes, and it's also have video to show. Yes, but this video is very curly. Yes, and our scanning machine is cutting the steel tire. Yes, and we can see the PRC is very beautiful. Yes, and we can see the thickness is also 3 millimeters. And then for this method, settler steel is the max cutting power is 20 millimeters, but our customers want to purchase and cutting more than 20 millimeters also can contact us. And the third method is a only. So, but this method is hard to cutting. So we can. So, but this video I haven't prepared to our customers. And this max cutting power is 20 millimeters, but it also if we can provide and add the power. Also we can cutting this more than 10 millimeters, and the fourth method is also hard to cutting, and our customers will to know how to add the power, how to cutting more than 10 millimeters, and you can contact me. And but today Clarissa is busy, so don't make introduction for our customers. And the fifth method is gravitated steel, and it max cutting power is 20 millimeters. Yes, we can see the second part. How to choose the model? Because many customers ask me how to choose the model, and from the and it seems it is similar to this. So to choose different laser cutting machine, because maybe manufacturer tell you their machine can cutting many types, many thickness metal, but the power is limited. So the thickness is very important to choose the laser cutting machine. Yes, and we have yes, and I prepared the video to show our customers. The first is 20 kilowatts cutting. Yes, and we can see the thickness is the thickness is very big, so the cutting is very. Yes, and we can see the cutting is very slowly, but the OPS also is beautiful. Yes, and we can see the yes. Yes, we can see the thickness is very big. So our customers how to choose the laser cutting machine. So mm, so many factories tell you their machine can cutting many more and more thickness. So we can we can see the video. It's true. And I prepared the second the second yes, and this video is show our laser cutting machine to cutting the 13 millimeters cabin style, and the machine power is 10 is 10 kilowatts. Yes, yes, let's we go on. And this area is also show our customers and help our customers to choose the machine. And the third important part is size of plate. So our customers will cutting different size work pairs and I have customers want to cutting the tube, and every customers want to cutting the tail shut. So this part is to tell every customers how to choose. Because the work table is limited, so every customers must to choose your sheet or tube to um, make it meet the work table. So the size is very important, but our customers work peers maybe more than the work table size. Don't worry it if your factory has different cutting machine. You can cutting it so that it can meet the work table size. The the second important part is show our physical model SAL 3015G. And I prepared the video to show this machine appearance. Yes, we can see the video, and it show our machine appearance and the back face. Yes, and our laser machine is controlled by the computer. Yes, we can see it processing the work pieces. The thickness is very big. Yes, let's we go on. Yes, the picture is show. Yes, the picture is show our SAL 3015G appearance, we can see this experience is very beautiful, and the color we can customers and for our customers the power and the color and the work table, the color and the power we can power different size and the different type. Yes, and from the picture we can see this laser head and this control system and the work table and the machine body. Yes, the picture we maybe not introduction the machine in detail. So let's we see next and it show our the machine back face and this part is the so and from the picture we can see the laser head back face and the yes, and the picture is also show the machine appearance. And we can see the size and our company name. Yes, but this picture many customer will ask, this machine color is blue, different with lesser picture. Don't worry, it's our customers. Don't worry, it's my friend. The color we will customer for our customer. If you like red or like green, we can provide. Yes, and yes, the picture show the machine different color and the computer control system is all open and this machine is in our customers is in our factory. We are testing for our customer. Yes, and yes, this is travel equipment. Yes, we can. Yes, from the picture we can see the travel equipment is carried, and this machine the leather head will travel by the equipment beam and the guide. So this part we can add the different shade for this part protect and it can use a long time. Yes, yes, and it also show the machine shipment tool. Yes, and the shipment tool is processed by our factory, and every customer know our customer or our factory is special for this machine or all the CC machine. Yes, let's we say next the control panel. The control panel, quick cards. Yes, and yes, the famous in our country, but I think different country we also can provide so maybe your company or every customer's factory worker don't good at this control system, but we can offer our workers to help you, and you can factory how to use the machine and use the control panel. Yes, and this part is the physical machine vehicle. That's bad. So our customers know the last bad in different or in all the CNC machine is very important. So our factory less bad will induce and the fair and the second fair. So we want to progress the less bad, more hard and more and yes and more effective. So every customers don't worry it's because our factory can process it by ourselves. Yes, and I have a video to show our customers. Yes, and we can see our factory have many less bad, and the less bad is very hard. Yes, yes, this also show our less bad. Yes, our customers can see the two pictures. So the very important for the machine is the laser head. Our laser head is autofocus and the vertical and the repaired lighting cutting and the Shenzhen technology. So because our laser head is very important to our customers. So I prepared the video to show our customers. Yes, and we can see the laser head is processing. Yes, and we can see the laser head. Maybe the video is show our laser head power is slowly, but we also can provide our customers different power laser head. So don't worry. Yes, we can see our factory have many laser head in our factory, so our customers don't worry. It maybe one and maybe a mistake. We can provide the different laser head in time to our customers. Yes, and the very important for our customers is this source. Maybe customers will choose the IPG laser. So, but our factory also can also provide the rockets laser because this rockets laser in our country and it's maybe a little famous in the world and that famous in the world. So our customers will choose this. Don't worry. It's and the rockers and the RPG we can provide the safety cells in time. But this part, if you want to know in detail, you can contact us and I will introduction this in detail. Yes, and we can see the or every hour by less battery we will have torch in this. Yes, and you can see this is not easy to drum along file. Yes, and about this files, and it's good to combine with paired and lower exhibit. Yes, maybe every customers want to know more details. You can contact us anytime. So today our robot and the program will finish. So our customers contact us and you can contact Clarissa, but Clarissa today is busy. So see you again, our customers and my friends.